start off by saying a massive thank you to every single one of you that are here today. Also, thank you to everybody that didn't make it today, but they did their bit with donations, share, raising awareness. A little bit about today, the reason behind it. Guys at Liberty Walk, Indy and Jimmy know the story behind this. So sadly, I lost my little brother. He lost his battle to mental health a couple of years ago. If you would have known him, sweetest kid you'll ever meet, loved his gym, very, very well educated, heading for uni. Honestly, you would have never thought that the kid had even the slightest, ill thought in his head. But sadly, he did lose his battle a couple of years ago. So growing up, Ash and I, obsessed with cars as you are as a young lad. Obsessed. Liberty Walk came into our life. I mean, one of the posts that I even put on Instagram, up until our last conversation on Insta, was about wide arch cars and sending each other pictures of any cars, any renders that have been added kits on, basically. And I'll always remember the last message was an RS6 that was wide, and he asked me, is this a Liberty Walk RS6? And I said, no, I don't think they do them for German cars. Little did we find out, yes, they do, but not for the RS6. So Ash, I know Ash's favourite car was a GT-R. I know that his background was a GT-R at one point. If he was here today, I think he'd stand here and he'd literally, I just can't wait to show you guys of what I imagine that he would want on this car. So we've built this car in memory of him, really. We've had the car for a couple of years. In all honesty, I think some of you that follow me on Insta have seen it. This car has been crashed a few times. It's been a drift toy and all sorts. Not as good as Bagsy's like, but yeah. So this time it was just finally we just said we're going to build it to what we thought would be his colour theme and his style of what he would have liked, to what I remember him liking. But yeah, so that's behind owning the car. I mean, a little bit of story behind it. Now, going on to how the day come about, spoke to Jimmy and Indy about this. The second I mentioned the little story behind it, these two were the actual two who said, right, we have to do something. And we're getting Liberty Walk involved. So they came up with a date. I mean, we had a couple of dates in mind to get the car ready for. And it so happened to have fell on today. So we held out a couple of extra weeks so that we can actually celebrate it on Ash's birthday. So today is Ash's birthday. He would have been 20 today. So yeah, let's do it. Once it comes off, there's a few people that were involved in this who've helped me out massively along the way, from sleepless nights to so yeah, just quickly, just want to say, first of all, massive thank you, Indy, massive thank you to Jimmy. Jimmy, just don't I look over at Jimmy. Massive thank you to these guys at Liberty Walk for actually holding this day out. I want to say massive thank you to Nexon Motors, Harris and Ray, to Saf for the 4 sleepless nights till 2 o'clock in the morning to try and get this absolutely battered paint back to life. Massive thank you again to Liberty Walk, everybody that's come here today. Yesterday we were on the way, we didn't have a front plate, and the last thing I wanted was another section 59 where they take the car off me this time round. So one of the lads is at Ace Auto Parts in Bolton. It was half 10 we set off last night. He opened the shop up to just print a plate off for me. Yeah, just massive thank you to the guys at Tyre Wall Stickers sending these out for me. I think they've finished the car off completely. But yeah, honestly guys, just thank you so much. I think we've all done a little bit towards raising awareness for today. As much as it's I don't know, you can call it a glorified day for something, it is a celebration, Ash's birthday, so the more you guys smile and enjoy yourselves, the better we're going to feel. But honestly, thank you so much to every single one of you. Like, I can't thank you enough. And there's guys here that I know have got massively crazy schedules and they've taken time out to come out. Thank you so much for coming out. Helen, Will, Bagsy, where he stands, Dean, everybody, like everyone that's come out, honestly. Churro, thank you so much, mate. Big to see you coming through. But yeah, guys, honestly, I can't thank you enough. I'm just studying, I know I'm rambling on, but yeah, just thank you for your time. It means the world to me. Thank you.